I would like to invite Dr. Ashish Kumar Srivastava, Additional Secretary, Information Technology and Mission Director, ITTA, Uttarakhand Government, to share his views on this topic of transformational governance to realize the vision of New India through the digital way.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts on the topic. And I can say that e-governance, the initiatives have started long back. But if you see the turning point in the e-governance, as my earlier speaker has told, that Corona pandemic has actually done a lot of changes. So if I can say that the e-governance, the life of e-governance, the journey of e-governance in this country will definitely be classified into two: pre-corona and post-corona scenario. And earlier, it was when you are going with something like in a system, it is very difficult to break status quo. And once you do the IT intervention, you are actually breaking the status quo. So that was actually earlier, it was very difficult to convince the persons in the system that you have to shift to the platforms. And it is not only that the work efficiency increases due to IT intervention, but also it inculcates the good practices in the system, like accountability and the transparency, as well as, in my opinion, it is not only that one should be online, but it is equally important that one should be on time also. So it is not like you are doing the system online and then after that you are dumping. Earlier the files were dumped manually, now the files are dumped in an electronic platform, so IT platform. So that is also important, that any of the e-governance initiatives that should have the timelines linked to it. And also very important thing which I feel is that it should not be the escalation of the job, but it should be escalation of the responsibility. So why I am telling, because it is the system should make itself or evolve itself in a way through IT tools that the work assigned to a particular person should be done by that person. Not like if you are not doing the system has escalated it to the next higher level. So that is more important once you are ensuring the accountability. Now I want to say that after Corona, the biggest transformation which we require as a country is in the area of education and the health. Where you can say the IT interventions are relatively lesser. More interventions earlier were in the ease of doing business, like your investment policies and the investment, they were more linked to the IT tools. And few areas have been done, like certain smart schools or something, like some smart hospital, telemedicine, and something was done in bits and parcels. But yes, after COVID, now it is really a big challenge for us even today, that how to teach on IT platform, online teaching, because many of the areas which are dark area where there is a connectivity problem. Now the smartphone type of like the gadgets, they are not easily accessible to weaker section of society. So all those issues are there which we have to answer. And most of the governments are actually trying to answer these questions. As a director ITDA, I have this challenge also to let every village have connectivity, as well as the same way is like the healthcare. So healthcare has also very important. It is very important sector where you have to apply IT platform, IT tools to reach. Because manually you can't reach to each and everyone, but yes, on electronic platform through e-governance, you can reach to any person anywhere. So right now we are having this conference on electronic mode. Earlier we never thought. I think if we will talk about somewhere in 2019, so it was very rare thing somebody is having platform on e-conferences and all. But now it is very common thing. Everybody is doing it every day. So this is a power of technology, and that's why I am telling you now this is the time where we want to have more and more e-governance. and more e-governance on the social sector. In social sector, that is very important sector, because we are doing in the investment, the infrastructure, manufacturing, industry sectors, but in social sector, the interventions were less. Now it is actually really coming up most of the time. Most of the state governments and the central government is actually focusing on social sector on IT platform. So this is from my side. Thank you.